Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Tech Tutorial. So, welcome back to the series of AI and automation. And for those who have been continuously watching our videos and supporting our channel, they must have gone through the videos such as the YouTube and LinkedIn integration, the YouTube and Facebook integration, YouTube and Instagram integration, and so forth for Twitter. After that, we learned how to automate our Google Drive image uploads as a new post creation on LinkedIn. It can either be on a company page or your own profile. So we have covered quite much for automations. The basic automation, these all these automations have been done using the free Zapier and Make.com account, and there are no extra charges for Instagram or Twitter APIs. So there are some limits for Instagram and Twitter APIs, that number of calls which you can make per hour and per day. So you should not cross them and you will be good to go. You can post, you can automate your posts. So just check that out on Copilot or ChatGPT and you will get to know the what are the restrictions, or what are the daily restrictions or the hourly restrictions for Instagram and Twitter. So today's video is for the automation of post on Facebook whenever you upload a new file in your Google Drive. For example, let's say I have a business and I want to create update for my work that I am currently doing, and I do not have the time to every time upload the video on the Facebook, then make a description for that, then post it. That takes a lot of time. And as you know, that uploading on Google Drive is much more easy. You can just synchronize your gallery. This is the gallery. You can synchronize your gallery and you can just have all the images uploaded on Google Drive automatically to whatever folder you want. Next, what you can do, another option is that you can just go to the Google Drive, and after going to the Google Drive you can just click on the folder that you want and just click a photo. You can directly click a photo of your work as you do. And next is you can also upload a file from here also. So this can also be done. So this is much more relatively easier, and every time you have to create a post you have to mention your email ID, your contact number, your website, things like that, which will allow the viewer to contact you. So that is the purpose of digital marketing. So that is another hassle. So for automation it makes everything easy. You just need to upload, everything will be done by LinkedIn. And we are doing with free accounts. So if we will go with the paid versions of Instagram, of Twitter, of Zapier, of ChatGPT, then we will have many more possibilities. But we will focus only on the free account as of now. Okay, so with camera, and we will start. First of all, you must have a Gmail account, you must have a folder with a name, whatever you want, and then you must put the shareable general access as anyone with the link, not to restricted. Next, you must have it at viewer, not as an editor, so that your images, your files are safe. Then you will click on done. You will go inside and you will see that all the videos all the photos that have been uploaded will have the same general access as that of the folder, unless and until you specify particularly for any file that what the access should be. So till now, I think everything is clear. So now we'll go to the Zapier. We'll click on Create Zap and we'll click on Zaps. After that, we'll click on the trigger, and the trigger will be Google Drive. You will have the option of selecting either new file in folder, new folder, etc. So we'll just click on new file in folder because we want that a particular folder with public general access as a viewer. I want to upload photos in that, and that should get posted. So my Google Drive is also not at risk and my files are being used easily. Next, you will have to connect it. You will have the option of connect, and you will connect using your username and password. Click on allow and you are good to go. We will click on continue. You can also check your connection by clicking on test connection and working correctly. continue, you will click on my Google Drive and then you will click on the folder which is trial, not with shared with me. We will click on trial and the value will be for only return non-deleted files, not either of the two. We'll click over here, we click on continue and test trigger will fetch the records. So the last three records will be fetched and you can see the name over here, that the name for this thumbnail is Advanced Curves Part 3 and this is Basic Sketching Tools and this is Boolean options. So we'll proceed with the latest one for now. In the previous one, we proceeded with the second last or third last, I don't remember. Then we'll click on continue with selected record. Now you have to select an option. So for option, I will click on Facebook pages and I will have the option of selecting an action event. So I'll select create page post, not a page photo or a page video, page post, because I want to create a post that will have an image. The image will be fetched from Google Drive and the it will have a caption that will say my latest work, etc., about my company, about my portfolio, how to contact with me, my email, my contact number, etc. So you can like um, add those values or add those details in your comment section. The page, it will be showing over here, but it is not showing. So what should I do? I will just go to my Facebook. I will go to my Facebook page and I will see that my user ID or my page name is mentioned over here. I will copy that. It is recording. Yes. So I will go back. I will just paste it over here. Before that, I will have to select custom value and paste it. So my page ID is pasted. What should be the message? So I will write check my latest work and blah blah blah. And then I will write connect with me on ABCD at A and or call me on 1234 etc etc. Visit my website at www.123 whatever you want. So this will be the message that will be as a caption. Next you must add the photo. So we'll add the photo using the web content link and we will have a link URL. I can add it as the I think the alternate link. We'll try. If it will not work, we'll change it. We'll click on continue and we'll click on test step. If everything is okay, if all the text box are entered are filled correctly, then the stream will be sent to the Facebook page. Now let us wait, and if there will be any error, we will get the warning sign over here. So was sent to Facebook pages, that means the details have been mentioned correctly. Like in the URL, if you mention the title, then it will not be able to fetch the image. So we'll go to the Facebook and we will just do a refresh and we'll see if the post has been created. So boolean options.png was created, but the image has not been taken up. Let us get that thing corrected. So we will click on photo. Okay, so I'll click on photo and let us use this file. Let us use this Google Apps, or should we use directly the file? Let us use that. Link URL. Uh, Let it. mm, I can add my name also over here, title, and let us check. Retest step. So I make videos like they are very impromptu and I do not have any script, etc. So I did automation like a year back. So things get a little bit blurry sometimes. Google Drive. Okay, .png is being shown over here. The image is being shown over here. So what should I do to make the file visible? Uh, what if I add it over here only? Let me use the download URL, retest. Let us check again. हम्म, हम्म, क्या करा जाए? ओके, मैं वैलिड एपीआई की लिंक यूआरएल। यार होता तो ऐसे ही था, लेकिन कभी-कभी sometimes the Facebook when you do a manual zap, it does not fetch the image. That is something that occurs sometime. So we'll have to create a zap and then we'll have to wait if the image is getting uploaded on directly, like when we are doing a an automatic zap is being generated. जैसे ये है। अच्छा, रिफ्रेश करो। तो दिस वाज द करेक्ट वन। कौन सा वाला था ये? आई विल हैव टू pause the video and check that out. No problem, we'll check it. We'll check it. So I used, कौन सा वाला था? ऐसे चेक करें? Sorry, the video is going to be a little long, but I am trying to figure that out without pausing the video or without editing it. So you can skip. Yes, we found the answer. So we found the answer, and the answer is that you have to put the file option in the photo, and the photo will get uploaded by, will get fetched by Facebook, and your caption will be over here. So this completes our video, and this and after that we'll do a continue, then we'll click on publish. Our zap will be completed, and after that, as you have seen, that I uploaded two photos and then left for 15 minutes, then I resumed the video, and then those two images were automatically created by zap and as a LinkedIn post. And similarly, you can do that. It has been published and it will automatically be created, so that need not be shown again. So I just complete the video over here, and I apologize for having hit and trial runs. So forgive me for that, because I have used it 1 year back, so sometimes things get blurry. That is not a big thing. It takes only 2 minutes. You can figure that out. So if you enjoyed the series, do hit the subscribe button and like button, and share our videos and keep supporting us. Till the next time we meet. Goodbye.